Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling rubbing alcohol or hand sanitizer, white paper towels, cotton swabs, and mild detergent. First, test a hidden seam to confirm color fastness. That prevents damage later. Next, place a paper towel under the stain and gently blot the fresh ink from the top with another towel until no more transfers. Once done, apply a small amount of alcohol to a swab and dab the edge of the stain to lift ink outward. Now you focus on lifting ink deeper in the fibers. Lay the fabric with the stain over a clean towel and work from the garments back toward the front so ink moves away from the visible side. Apply 70% or stronger isopropyl alcohol or a commercial stain remover, dabbing with a cotton swab until the transfer stops. Make sure to blot frequently and rotate to a clean surface. Once the ink lightens, rinse thoroughly with cold water to remove solvent and loosened pigment. Finish by laundering the garment according to its care label using cold water and your regular detergent. Do not tumble dry until the stain is fully gone because heat sets ink. After washing, inspect while still damp and repeat the alcohol treatment if a faint trace remains. Make sure to air dry between attempts. If a stubborn mark persists despite multiple safe treatments, take the item to a professional cleaner who can use stronger solvents without ruining the fabric. This is the key troubleshooting option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.